Manchester United's team in the FA Cup final, looking competitive. Yes, they were thrown over by Manchester City yesterday, but they look competitive. The future is looking bright moving forward, which brings me to the next topic: Eric Ten Hag and his future race. Go in the transfer market, buy some ball, bringing back Ahmad to give you coverage over left side, bring some footballers in that can actually play football, and we can do the business next year. You guys remember Manchester United was touted to be 5th, 6th, some say 8th. A lot of people say we will in the night top 10 to finish 3rd, make it to the FA Cup final. We won English Cup, the English Championship Cup, the English Champions League Cup, but still, there's a lot more to be done. There's a lot more work to be done. You need to get rid of certain players. Maguire, McTominay, Fred. We already got rid of Jones. We have a whole more people to get rid of. Swansea, Ilanga. More ballers that in and around the first team that shouldn't be, and bringing some new fresh blood. So